Awesome. I think everybody's a winner. All right, so I want to thank you all so very much for being here and listening to us. We had a great time. If you are interested in becoming a member of CPG, either as a singer or instrumentalist, please see me. I have sign-up sheets here. We accept kids from grade 5 through adult kids. So come and see me if you are interested. I have an announcement. Father Tony's family is supposed to meet immediately under the tree. So, Father Tony's family, you are needed. Thank you and have an awesome rest of the picnic.